Hi, this is Karan. I just want to record this video to demonstrate our this landing page, what this does, what was our thought process behind the design. So this company is based out of UK, and their aim is to get people to try this application. So here we tried this $1 sign up. Where we will be taking a rate card, although this is controversial. So we were testing multiple landing pages and with different CTAs. So this is what so currently I'm just demonstrating this. So the objective of this app was to get as much signups as possible. So we try to showcase the dashboard, how it is going to look when you are going to use it. So we wanted to give a feeling of the dashboard, how it is going to look, and also ensure that we are also covering the features or benefits of using this application. So here we have tried to depict with these kind of imagery using the real dashboard. And these are some features which may be very useful for the people. And it's a very quite simple and crisp landing page. So they have this pricing plan and FAQ section, and then this is footer. So I'm gonna attach this Figma link in the description, and you can go and check it out. Yeah, bye bye.